Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this bunny and the hat outfit on Dress to Impress. I'm actually just going to wear gloves first because those are not gloves. We'll do it without the fur. Okay, so grab this hat and you can color it whatever you want. I'm just going to color it black. I don't know how I feel about this, about the white, so I'm just going to place it here instead. Then grab a pumpkin and color everything white as well and place it on head. Then you are just going to go here, grab the bunny ear, and I'm just going to color the same, and that's it pretty much. I guess I'm going to change the color of the flowers like so. But that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!